Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a really excited and highly requested video for you all. My third room update, third room update. I know it's been a bloody while and I've been putting this video off because really it's not, well, there is a lot to say. There's a lot to say explaining why it's taken me so long. People seem to think I've not got the money to do my room anymore. I know, like, imagine caring that much about someone to be judging what they spend their money on. Actually, no, I already had money saved for my room, so if anyone judges me. But anyway, that was a really mean way to start my video. Anyway, I love you all. Thank you for the ones that have been patient. But some people have been very passive aggressive towards me for not doing my room yet. But yeah, I'm going to explain why it's taken so long, where I'm at the minute, and what you're going to be seeing in the future. So if you like the sound of that, continue to watch. Did I do my proper? Subscribe if you want. Please subscribe down below if you want to. Give it a big thumbs up. Just try to get to 1k likes. Please, it would help me out a lot. And yeah, before I get started, I'm very tan. I'm aware of that. I just had my spray tan, and you're meant to wash it off in the morning, then it goes lighter. So yeah, before anyone like goes, oh my god, you're so tan. Like, yes, I know. But yeah, thank you for being patient, and I know this has been very requested. I'm going to be showing you what we've done. Yeah, I just told you all that. Let's get started. My top is from I Saw It First. I Saw It First. Okay, so I'm gonna sit down. You know, we're gonna sit down and explain through. That's my little makeshift thing. Is it in? Yeah, are we in? Well, are we in? For a little bit crooked, it's not the end of the world. Okay, so I know I started my room in August and it's now nearly October. So let's just take a little explanation. So, I went to, the last one you saw, it ended with, I think, me going to B&Q with my dad to get my floor. Rolling back either right to the beginning of September or the end of August. And then we did the floor. My dad, basically my dad is doing all my room, which I love him for. It's amazing and I love him so much and I'm very grateful. Oh, before I get started as well, I know everyone knows me for doing disclaimers, but I literally didn't do a disclaimer in one video. Just smile! Everything, and I mean everything, besides like the paint, was bought by me. I'm even buying myself my mattress for my bed. I'm buying myself my new curtains. Everything is bought from every single penny. No, besides my floor and my wall colour, and that's it. I promise you, everything else, down from my duvet to everything, is bought by me with my own money that I have worked for. Just putting that out there. But yeah, my dad, his job, he does like not building, but like pebble dashing, cementing, and he does have his own business, and he also works for someone else. So yeah, that's why it's quite complicated, because he does his own jobs and then he works for someone else because he took on his dad's business, my granddad. Yeah, and basically he works really hard, and for the past 3 weeks he's been working Monday to Sunday, even Sunday, the day of rest. I mean, I'm not religious, but it's meant to be a day of rest. And he has been going to work at 7:30 in the morning, and most nights not coming back until 8 o'clock. And when he comes in, he's been obviously working all day, been up scaffolds, ladders, and I literally, like, he would not, like, most nights he's not had enough energy to do my room, so that's why. And like, I don't want to pressure him because he works so hard, and obviously I don't want to like pressure him. So that's why it's taken so long. I just thought I'd explain that and put that out there. But we're going shopping with my furniture on Sunday. When you're seeing this, it is Friday. I'm uploading this tonight. Shall I upload this tonight? You're either seeing this Friday or Saturday. Either way. But yeah, I will be going shopping on Sunday the 23rd for my furniture, and my room will all be done and dusted in around 2 to 3 weeks. No, probably 2 weeks now, because I'm just obviously like getting everything ready. And yeah, so that's what's happening. Also, my dad's best friend has painted my walls for me because he's a painter, and he did it for free because he's actually living in our house right now. that sounds really, we have like another house in our garden. It's not a shed, it's like an annex, and he's just living in there. Another one of my dad's friends used to live in there from when I was 7 till I was like 9, and then 7 till I was 10, and then he came back for till I was 11 till I was 12. Now we've got my dad's other best friend living in there. I know, my dad makes friends, he invites them to move in. But yeah, that's it. So he did, he painted my walls for me, and very kindly, he said we didn't have to pay him. I did offer a lot, before anyone says. So yeah, he painted the walls, so that was really lovely, because to like speed the process up a bit, we filled in all the holes in my walls, which everyone gets really annoyed about. So we finally filled them in, so thank my dad and his friend for doing that. Because yeah, and it looks all fresh and white. And yeah, I'm going to be just showing you my plan and what it looks like at the moment, like the plans of my room. So yeah, let's get showing you. I'm so weird. So that is very bright, there's a light there, I'm very sorry about that. On my tripod, I was just filming there. This is not my floor, but before anyone thinks, oh, strange floor choice somehow. This is covering the floor because we decided to paint after we did the floor, which was a little bit weird. That is my floor, there's brown things on it because of like where the thing is. But yeah, this is basically my floor. It's not usually that dirty, it's because of this mat. But yeah, it's really nice white oak. I will, if I can remember, insert a picture. I will insert a picture of what it looks like without the dirt on it. It does sweep up. And this is how fresh all my walls are. Lovely and fresh. Okay, so I am getting a radiator cover as well for my radiator. It's like a little like vintage cute one that comes out here, like a box. Because look how yellow the radiator is compared there. Yeah, and then I'm going to be showing you the plan of my wall. The plan of my wall. I'm really weird. So the plan is, I'm going to have my single bed going across here, my bedside cabinet, a big wardrobe going across that wall, like a cute vintage like mannequin thing. My sofa's going to be there with my sofa and my coffee table for like any homework or anything. I'm not having a dressing table now, I'm having a sofa with a canopy over the sofa with fairy lights and my nice wall pictures. And yeah, obviously it's going to be like cute little finishing touches and cute little stuff like that. And yeah, that's basically where we're up to at the moment. I just thought I'd do this quick room update, but yeah, I'm really like happy with how it's coming along. Also, I am going to show you something very exciting I got. Wait, hang on, look how dark it is without, okay, right, I'm not wasting electricity, saving that money. Oh, what am I doing? What's my, oh, no. Okay, yeah, I'm going to go show you downstairs what I bought. Oh, it's beautiful. It's a lamp, and it's the best lamp you've ever seen. Also, look at all my stuff. My stuff is also in my shed and all of that, yeah. So let's show you. I'm not being funny, but this is, sorry how messy it is. Also, there's Maryland cookies, lovely. This lamp here, I'm sorry, but don't even try and tell me that your lamp is better than mine. That sounded really shit. Look how vintage and cute. Okay, right. I was in this second-hand home store in my town. And I was like in there like, oh, this is gross. Not because it's second hand, but all the furniture was very gross. Because it was all like horrible like prints, and I was like, let's get out of here, it's not nice. And in the corner of my eye, I see the lamp of my dreams. And when I mean the lamp of my dreams, I mean the lamp of my dreams. Because I saw, right, I was watching one of Gabby DiMartino's, like, I think it was like 24 hours in my vintage closet or something, and she had a lamp. Well, it was nicer than mine, but everything's nicer in America. They can find better things in like thrift stores. But this is the closest I'm getting, because all the lamps that look like hers were like £200 off of eBay, and I was like, no, thank you. So this is the best one I could find, and I love it. I really, really, really love it. It's like a marble, you can't really see it. Oh, it's past the test. And then it has like, oh, I love it. It makes me want to cry every time I see it. Shit. But yeah, I will be doing lots and lots more room videos. I'm so sorry. I know you all love these. I mean, my last two got like 20k. Well, it's really dark. You can't see me. But yeah, I really hope you all like are excited, and obviously a room tour will be done when it's finished. Okay, so that is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you want to, please do, because that helped me out a lot. And yeah, I love you all literally so much. Thank you for being patient, and I just wanted to explain, and just thank you to my dad for doing this. But he's not going to watch this. He might watch it. Yeah, I love it all so much. There'll be a furniture shopping one with my dad on Sunday, and it'll be up Monday. But yeah, I love it all so much. Have a good day. Mwah.